So you just bought a bunch of aftermarket accessories, electronics, stereo equipment, off-road lights, but what's the point if your charging system can't handle the load? Improve the dependability and output of your charging system with the XDP Wrinkle Black HD High Output Series alternator. The charging system is often overlooked or forgotten until there is an issue. You will often be able to tell if this needs to be replaced when you experience check engine lights, dimming lights, engine stalling, and other electrical issues. The XDP HD High Output Alternator produces a higher output compared to your stock alternator. This allows you to keep your truck running reliably while also powering popular aftermarket upgrades such as off-road lights and plows, while decreasing the strain on your electrical system. Each unit also features a super durable wrinkle black coating to not only enhance the looks under the hood, but is also good for corrosion resistance. All our HD series alternators come pre-tested and ready to install for either your Dodge Cummins, Ford Powerstroke, or GM Duramax. To find out more about the XDP Wrinkle Black HD High Output alternators, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.